Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, dear children. Poonam Nagar MPS CPSE School is extending a warm welcome to all the dear children and the parents who are attending this meeting. It's a big warm welcome by our school to all the parents and the students connected to us. We are looking forward to have a wonderful year ahead. We are still under lockdown and the school will be functioning on online basis. We expect all the parents to be connected with us and kindly let us know if there is any problem faced by your children while connecting to the online classes. We look forward for an excellent year. We promise you that the academic quality will be maintained and children will have a lot of fun and they will learn and grow to become beautiful individuals. I now ask our HM Madam to address the dear little ones and the parents.
Namaskar, Suswagatam. Being a principal of the CBSE Poonam Nagar School, I welcome you all, my dear students, parents, and their dignitaries on the board. Now, as rightly said by Sujata teacher, this is a new year. Like that, आपण म्हणतो ना प्रवेश उत्सव. आपण एक छोटासा आज प्रवेश उत्सव सादर करत आहोत, ते पण ऑनलाईनच्या माध्यमात. कारण सध्या ना माहितीये की कोविडची परिस्थिती अशी आहे की आपण प्रत्यक्ष भेटू शकत नाही. पण जर आपण प्रत्यक्ष भेटत नसतो तरी आपण ऑनलाईन कनेक्टेड आहोत. आणि ही ऑनलाईनची जी आहे ते आपले जेवढे हे होणार टीचिंग सगळे ऑनलाईन होणार आणि भरपूर टीचिंग नाही भरपूर ऍक्टिव्हिटीज को करिक्युलर ऍक्टिव्हिटीज सगळे डेज साजरा करता येणार आहे. आता रिसेंटली आपण 21 जूनला साजरा करणार आहे योगा दिन. असे बरेच डेज येणार आणि तुम्हाला सगळे शिक्षक आधीच कल्पना देणार हाऊ टू कंडक्ट दिस ऍक्टिव्हिटीज. मी सगळ्या भाषामध्ये बोलणार, हिंदी, मराठी आणि इंग्लिश में. तो जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि बहुत एक्टिविटीज कंडक्ट होगी और ये बहुत ही बच्चों के लिए उपयोगी होगी. और मेरी एक आपसे सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि ऑनलाइन हमें तो जुड़ना ही है, पढ़ाई के साथ साथ बहुत एक्टिविटीज भी होगी. और जो भी आपको क्वेरी है आप फोन कर सकते हो टीचर को. तो मुझे अगर कुछ मुझसे बातें करनी है तो आप फ्रीली शेयर कर सकते हो, क्योंकि हमें एक दूसरे का साथ चाहिए, सपोर्ट चाहिए. उसके बिना हम कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो आपका सब पेरेंट्स का मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट की जरूरत है. हम एक दूसरे से ऐसे जुड़े रहेंगे. तो इसी के साथ मैं अपना ये 2 शब्द ये करती हूँ. एंड लेट अस एंजॉय दिस आवर ऑनलाइन सेशन मीट टुडे.
I think that you by now have got an idea that so much you did in the last academic year. You took part in so many events, the Hindi Divas, the Marathi Divas, the science model making, art and craft, cooking food with your parents. So in this way, the last academic year has taught you a lot of things and kept you upgraded when all the schools were locked. You all were busy developing your skills. And you have grown up to become beautiful little children with the 1 year's experience. And this year, we are going to carry it even forward and make you do so many different things, which will help you to develop all the hidden skills inside you. Now, talking about the co-curricular activities, the school will be conducting a lot of activities this year, which will involve poster making, drawing, craft, artwork, speech, giving speech. You children will be giving a lot of speech this year. So this way, essay writing and taking part in a lot of competitions that will be going on. So children, this is the list of co-curricular activities which we will be conducting in this academic year. Let us see month-wise what programs will be done in the school. So now let us see, for the month of June, we are going to have Father's Day, where you will be making cards for your father. You will say some speech or write a poem. That will be on 20th of June, but children, your activity should reach us by 18th. Then we have International Yoga Day, which is celebrated on 21st of June, but Again, I request you to share your Yogasana videos by 17th of June, so that we can make it a part of the video which school will be sharing. Now, July, we'll have a lot of co-curricular activity. We are going to have the Vana Mohotsava, that is tree plantation, which is a 1-week program where you will be growing some sapling and sharing the video with us or the photos. Then we are going to have Doctor's Day, where we'll call a doctor and conduct an online program. Then we are going to have Guru Purnima, where you can talk something about the teachers whom you are now connected to since last 1 year. You can make cards or you can write poems for your teachers, or sing a song. It's a welcome note from us. Then we are going to have International Tigers Day. That's on 29th of July, where you'll be making poster or doing a face painting, which will be a lot of fun. Then comes the month of August. August, we are going to have the Independence Day. And last year it was a grand success, and I'm sure it's going to be the same this year. Then we are going to have a World Photography Day, where you children will be sharing the pic that you have clicked. And you're going to share it by 19th of August with us. Then there's a wonderful program of Rakhi making. And you are very talented children. So Rakhi making will be a very good opportunity for you to show your craft skills. And then we have the National Sports Day, where we'll keep some programs of small indoor sports, as you cannot move outdoor. Now, the month of September, one of the most favorite programs of children is the Teachers' Day, where you make cards and you have the children from the higher class who will be your teachers and teaching you online. It's a fun day. Then we have the Ganesh idol making, where you can show your sculpting skills, followed by the National Grandparents' Day. We are going to make our grandparents feel special. That will be on Sunday, 12th. Then we have the Hindi Divas online program, where you will be doing a lot of poems, mono acts, speeches, a lot of things with Hindi language. That will be on 14th of September, followed by World Tourism Day. Here you can show some drawing of the places that you like to visit, or the higher class children can make PPT of the different tourist places in India and around the world. Now going to the month of October, there we have the Gandhi Jayanti on the 2nd of October, which will also be collaborated with Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti. Children will get the opportunity to write slogans, mono act. You can also do some posters on cleanliness that day. Then we have the Aarti Thali and the Dandiya decoration, where the craft skill will be honed, followed by International Girl Child Day. Now we believe, children, that the girls are equally important, and we walk hand in hand for the progress of our country. So girls and boys both are respected equally. Then we have the APJ Kalam birth anniversary, which is celebrated as Vachan Prerna Divas, where children will be doing extra reading from some storybooks or some poems or some articles or newspaper. That will be on 15th of October. You can do it before and share your videos with us. We are very much looking forward. November, we have the Diya decoration, lantern making, as it is very close to Diwali. So we expect children to do this activity, followed by Children's Day, where we'll be having a fancy dress on 14th of November. And then we have a very important day lined up, the Constitution Day. Children of the higher class will be doing speeches and essay writing on the topic. The lower class children can do some drawings. Coming to the month of December, we have National Pollution Control Day, where we'll make posters or models spreading message that we should control pollution, followed by National Mathematics Day, where we'll have quiz and math games. We'll have a grand celebration of Christmas, where we'll have cap card making, Christmas tree making, singing carols, and enjoying the day to the maximum. Coming to Jan, we are going to celebrate Savitri Phule Jayanti, the lady who brought education for the girls. We salute her, and it will be a grand celebration, followed by National Youth Day, which is the celebration of Swami Vivekananda's birthday, followed by kite making, a fun day for children, followed by Republic Day. a salute to India. Now coming to February. February, we have Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti. It's a big day for Maharashtra and India. We will celebrate that by making fort and role play. Children can do Shivaji Maharaj, role of Shivaji Maharaj, and do some speech and mono act, followed by Marathi Divas. It being our state language, we are going to make it grand. We'll be having a lot of events all through the week, rather 15 days. Followed by National Science Day, where children will be sharing working models and school will conduct a quiz program on account of the National Science Day. Now coming to the last month of the academic year, to children, it's a World Wildlife Day. All the children like wildlife, so you will be sharing your posters to save wildlife. That will be on 3rd of March. So your poster should reach us by 1st of March. And finally, the International Women's Day, which will be celebrated on 8th of March. So in this way, these are the co-curricular activities celebrated with the children so that they develop lot of social skills and understand the importance of different days celebrated not only in our state, not only in India, but at the world level. Thank you, children. So children, I think now you are having a clear idea what the school did for 1 year, what the school will be doing for another year. And by this, I think you got a fair idea that it's going to be an action-packed year. आप बहुत कुछ करेंगे, बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे और आपके अंदर जो भी कलाएं सुप्त हैं, उसे हम मौका देंगे कि आप आपका सारा टैलेंट स्कूल के साथ शेयर करें। अब जब आपको जो भी कार्य दिया जाएगा, पेरेंट्स आप थोड़ा सहकार्य करेंगे और आप देखेंगे कि आपके बच्चे जो हैं बढ़ चढ़कर पार्ट लें। जितना प्रोग्राम में बच्चे पार्ट लेंगे, वो उतना ही खुल करके आएंगे। आप ये कोई भी प्रोग्राम के लिए ये नहीं सोचना कि इसका क्या जरूरत है, उसका क्या जरूरत है, ऐसा नहीं है। हर छोटे कार्यक्रम से जो है बच्चे के अंदर की जो सुप्त कलाएं हैं वो विकसित होती हैं। तो हम आपको ये दरख्वास्त करते हैं, दिस इज अ स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट फॉर द पेरेंट्स, कि आपने इनिशिएटिव लेना है क्योंकि बच्चे आपके पास हैं। हम जो भी मार्गदर्शन कर सकते हैं ऑनलाइन द्वारा हम जरूर करेंगे। और जब हम डेट देते हैं तो आप देखिए कि आपके जो प्रोग्राम के रिलेटेड जो भी आपकी एक्टिविटी होगी, वीडियो, ड्राइंग, पोस्टर, पोएम, वो हमें टाइम जो हम देंगे उसके अंदर हमारे पास पहुंचना चाहिए। आपकी अगर लेट एंट्री होगी और प्रोग्राम अच्छा भी होगा, लेकिन स्कूल का वीडियो अगर तैयार हो जाता है तो हम उसके अंदर वो प्रोग्राम को नहीं ले पाएंगे। और आपने जो इतना अच्छा मेहनत करके आपने हमें भेजा है, वो अगर प्रोग्राम के अंदर नहीं जाएगा तो बच्चे को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा। तो टाइम को बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस देना है और जो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस होंगी उसमें सारे बच्चों को जुड़ना है। अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका बच्चा नहीं जुड़ रहा है तो आप साथ में बैठ जाइए, बीच बीच में आकर देखिए कि बच्चा क्लास में है ना। अगर बच्चा बिल्कुल नहीं जवाब दे रहा है तो आप फोन करके टीचर से बात करिए कि आपके बच्चे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है इसीलिए वो जवाब नहीं दे रहा। तो टीचर को भी पता चलेगा कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, तो वो बच्चे से बात करके प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। चुप रहना कोई भी समस्या का समाधान नहीं है, इसीलिए हम चाहते हैं कि आप हमसे बराबर जुड़े रहें। कोई भी समस्या हो, सारे टीचर्स आपके लिए अवेलेबल हैं। हम चाहते हैं कि आप हमसे जुड़ें, आपकी समस्याओं का समाधान हो और स्कूल एक समाज में एक एग्जाम्पल सेट करे कि ये स्कूल टीचर फ्रेंडली, स्टूडेंट फ्रेंडली, पेरेंट्स फ्रेंडली एक मॉडल है। I think with this note, I will like to complete this today's program with my HM's permission. We give vote of thanks. हम सारे जो जुड़े हैं बच्चे, उनको बहुत बहुत दिल से धन्यवाद देते हैं। हम अपने कॉर्पोरेटर उज्ज्वला मोदक जी का बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने हमारे स्कूल को बहुत सपोर्ट किया है। हमारे समाज सुधारक प्रतिनिधि, द चेयरमैन ऑफ द इम्प्रूवमेंट कमिटी बालानर, जो हमेशा स्कूल के लिए जब भी हम कोई प्रॉब्लम लेकर जाते हैं तो वो उसका समाधान करने के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहते हैं, हम उनका तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करते हैं। हम हमारे डेप्यूटी ईओ मैडम, एओ सर, सुपरिटेंडेंट सर, हमारे बीओ मैडम, हमारे एसएमसी मेंबर्स का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करते हैं। हम अपने पालकों का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करते हैं और हमारे प्यारे बच्चे, उनको हम तहे दिल से स्वागत और धन्यवाद करते हैं। और इसी बात पर हमारे स्कूल का ये प्रोग्राम अब यहीं समाप्त होता है। हम आज शाम तक टाइम टेबल दे देंगे और कल से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू हो जाएंगे। थैंक यू डियर चिल्ड्रन एंड पेरेंट्स।